If makeup is a part of your life and you can't imagine living without, you're probably more than familiar with the never-ending struggle of getting it off every evening. How is it that something so enjoyable to apply is such a nightmare to remove? The process is one that now requires physical and mental preparation just to power yourself with the strength you need to see it through. The current methods of makeup removal we're presented with by the big beauty stores are hardly effective or environmentally friendly. Not only do you always manage to miss a bit when you use makeup wipes, when you throw them away, they join the millions and millions of other disposable wipes that are clogging up our landfill sites today. Most makeup wipes aren't biodegradable, which means it takes them hundreds of years to break down. Flushing them down the toilet is just as dangerous. Wipes are made up of thousands of tiny plastics, which can leach into our water sources and cause a huge ecological hazard. Even worse, makeup wipes and other formulas for removing makeup are rarely designed for ultimate skin kindness. Most prioritize stripping the makeup off your face over actually looking after your skin. This means that they cause irritation due to chemicals used to prevent microorganisms from contaminating the wipes. These chemicals include formaldehyde-releasing chemicals, solubilizers, surfactants, and emulsifiers. Even if you don't know exactly what they are, you know without research that they're bad for you. It's no wonder that we're so fed up with the makeup removal options we're presented with. To add salt to the wound, you'll need to shell out quite a bit of money if you want a product that at least does half the job it promises on its packaging. If you're sick of wasting time and money on makeup removers that don't work, inflame your skin, and wreak havoc on the environment, it's time you introduced yourself to the natural alternative methods that are on offer. We'll be covering all of your favorite methods in this video. So if you're keen to learn more, grab yourself a notebook and prepare to take notes. 1. Coconut or olive oil. One of the simplest methods of natural makeup removal uses an ingredient you probably already have sitting in your kitchen cupboards: oil. The reason why oil works so well for removing makeup is that oil dissolves oil. As makeup products are usually made up of a combination of oils and waxes, and your face secretes oil, oils like coconut or olive oil can quite easily remove the makeup from your face. To use coconut or olive oil to remove makeup, apply a small amount of your oil of choice to a cotton bud or face pad. Then gently wipe your face in circular motions. Once your makeup has been removed, wash your face with a cleanser and rinse clean with cool water. If you're prone to breakouts, choose olive oil over coconut oil, as it's less likely to clog up your pores. 2. Witch hazel and olive oil. If you want to benefit from more than just a plain oil on your face, one combination that works particularly well is witch hazel and a nourishing oil like olive oil. Witch hazel is a natural ingredient that also is used as an astringent in skincare routines. You might have a bottle of the stuff lying around if you've recently had your ears pierced, as it usually always is recommended for cleaning and disinfecting. When you're using witch hazel on your face, go for an alcohol-free product to prevent it from drying out your skin. Combine 2 tablespoons of olive oil with 3 tablespoons of the witch hazel. Then apply a small amount of oil to a cotton bud or pad. Gently wipe your face with the pad, rinse your face with cool water, then continue with your usual evening skincare routine. 3. Jojoba oil and beeswax balm. For anyone who's serious about long-term natural makeup removal, making your own simple balm is the way forward. Combine jojoba oil with beeswax to create a formula that's kind yet effective on your face and costs virtually nothing to make in batches that will last for several months at a time. To make a jojoba oil and beeswax balm, mix 1/4 cup of jojoba oil and 1 tablespoon of beeswax. Melt the beeswax into the oil, then pour the formula into a container. Allow it to cool and harden before use. When it's finished cooling, apply a small amount of the balm to a cotton ball or pad, then wipe the mixture around your face. Finish by washing your face and completing your skincare routine. 4. Honey and baking soda cleanser. There are so many skincare benefits of honey that ultimately make it one of the most appealing natural ingredients for removing your makeup. Honey gently removes dirt and impurities without stripping the skin of natural oils, and boosts a range of antibacterial and probiotic properties that are thought to reduce breakouts and soothe sensitive skin. To get the most out of a honey makeup remover, combine it with baking soda and a few drops of oil. The cleanser is easily enough made in your kitchen and takes only seconds to whip up. Simply mix 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda to your raw honey, then add a few drops of coconut or olive oil and stir it into a paste. Apply with a warm washcloth before rinsing your face with water. If you've got the extra cash to splash, use Manuka honey for its superior antibacterial and healing properties. 5. Cucumber and coconut rinse. Cucumber juice doesn't just remove your makeup, it also nourishes your skin and provides all sorts of enviable benefits. Cucumber helps to whiten and brighten dull skin and boosts cooling and soothing effects, making it particularly effective at treating a sunburn. As cucumber is an oil-controlling juice, it's also a great ingredient for oily skin. For the most efficient makeup removal, you should mix your cucumber juice with coconut oil or another oil of your choice. To make a cucumber and coconut rinse, first make your cucumber juice by blending a cucumber in a food processor and using a strainer over a bowl to collect the liquid. Then add equal parts cucumber to coconut oil and stir. Apply the mix to your face using a damp cloth or a cotton bud. Wipe carefully, then rinse off with water. 6. Baby oil. It seems there are no limits to the number of oils that can be used effectively for natural makeup removal. Baby oil is favored by beauty experts because it's especially kind to the skin, but still works efficiently to remove makeup. When you use baby oil to remove your makeup, it will naturally dissolve the dirt on your skin without stripping it of natural oils. You don't need to mix your baby oil with anything for it to work well. Simply pour a few drops of the oil onto a cotton ball or pad. Then gently rub the cotton over your cheeks, eyes, lips, and chin. To remove any leftover greasiness on your face, use a mild cleanser before rinsing your face with water and patting dry with a soft towel. 7. Milk. Milk is known for its health benefits inside of the body, but it also works great as a topical skin application too. The essential fats and protein found in whole milk help skin to retain moisture and repair damaged cells. Milk is especially good at removing eye makeup, so if you struggle to naturally remove stubborn makeup, this is the natural remedy for you. For an easier bind solution, mix a bowl of whole milk with almond oil and dab it all over your face with a cotton ball. Doing this won't only refresh your face, it'll also naturally remove makeup. To remove eye makeup, wipe your eyes with a cotton ball dipped in milk, then rinse your face clean. Follow with a simple cleanse and wash your face of any lingering oil. 8. Steam. This might not be the best method for wiping off a full face of makeup, but steam can be used to evaporate away those last few traces of makeup from your face, or prepare your face for a makeup removal. As a bonus, steam also unclogs your skin pores and removes all the dirt and impurities. To give this method a go, fill up your sink or a bowl with hot water, not boiling, and hover your face over it for a minute or two. The steam will loosen up your pores and make it easier for your natural makeup remover of choice to penetrate your skin deeper to remove makeup and debris. If you struggle to remove your makeup naturally, using steam as part of the process should help you massively. 9. Green tea and grapeseed oil. If you have combination skin, a green tea and grapeseed oil combination should work wonders on removing makeup and giving your skin health a boost. Green tea reduces sebum production and protects your skin against inflammation, while grapeseed oil restores collagen and brightens your skin. You can make a batch of green tea and grapeseed oil formula to last you for several days to a week. Just add equal parts brewed green tea with grapeseed oil to a spray bottle. Shake well to combine the ingredients together and then spray onto a cotton bud. Apply the mixture to your face using the bud. Then let it sit for a few seconds as it breaks down the makeup and lifts it from the skin. Store the formula in your fridge to keep it cool and bacteria-free between uses. To conclude, we all know by now that while the majority of shop-bought makeup removers are the quick and simple solution for scrubbing off your makeup after a busy day, they're far from the best for your skin. Makeup removers, especially makeup remover wipes, can leave toxic residue behind. Since makeup wipes don't require you to rinse with water, they may leave behind highly concentrated residues that are full of all sorts of chemicals. The only way to avoid a buildup of these chemicals on your face is to quit using non-natural makeup removers altogether. If you've never experimented with natural makeup removal before, it's time you gave it a go. It may take you a little while to adjust to, but once you establish a solid nightly routine, you'll find that the process becomes quicker and easier every day. And of course, knowing that you're not only making the effort to be kinder to your skin, but also reducing your own carbon footprint is a motivating thought. Try out all of the natural methods mentioned in this video and see which one works best for you. The great thing is that all of these ingredients boast their own skincare benefits aside from just makeup removal, which makes them even more worth your time. It won't be long before you're raving about your natural makeup removal efforts to your friends and wondering why you ever spent money on products from the store in the first place. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 11 natural ways to get a facelift. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.